Morning fish.
Morning glory.
Morning glory, mate. What do you got? Oh, break sea. Beautiful. Oh, I love it when I see that vent like that. Another break sea, I think.
Another break sea cod.
Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, you got a little fish.
A little one.
Hopefully a nice big tuna. Tuna. Lovely. Get that dog in. Oh! You know what? Next time I think we'll use a net. Yellowtail. Woo! I got him. Oh! Oh! See? That's why we have a net.
Oh, joking.
Oh yeah, I've got the net right there. Yeah, they can keep those. Oh, you're on. Deep sea racing mullet. Your favourite, Leo. See? You got it with your hook and I pulled it in. I did too, didn't I? Leo, what do you got there? Holy shit. Look at the size of that.
Can't even get my hand around it.
Shut up and sit down.
Hey guys, how you going? Welcome to another show. Gonna do a bit of camping today. Like this, eh? This is called glamping, I suppose. This is Leo's setup. How you go, mate?
Good, mate. Good.
So he's got his fridge and all his shit in there and batteries and anyway, it's just, you know, that's his little, hang on, I go over in this way. Little cooker for today. It's all in there. Sleeps up in there like a big king Farouk. There's my little getting ready for tonight. Yay! That's why I'm sleeping in that. Leo is good enough to lend me his crash pad. Really good actually. Pretty windy at the moment, but we're waiting for it to calm down. If everything goes well, we should be out there about 4:30, 5 o'clock tomorrow morning and driving out into the sunrise, not sunset, sunrise. Duano, welcome mate. Glad you could make it.
Happy to be here.
Bring back some memories or what?
Not often enough.
Nah, this is the shit.
It is.
Yep.
Unfortunately, life gets in the way.
Yeah, I know. Come on. Oh, you're a little cooker.
Yeah. Cooking dinner, mate. You want something to eat?
Oh, soon. But we're cooking inside the reason why we're cooking inside the ute, because blowing the shit out of the trees. Cooking inside it because it's very windy. windy. So anyway, that's Dwayne's doing that one. I was just flying the drone over there. And then Leo's cooking over here, but he's got this little windbreak over here, which is really nice. So he's cooking some steak as well. He's getting his kitchen organised, so yeah, that's good. And I'm just doing all the rest of the shit, you know. So anyway, it's all going good. The freezer's going good. Fridge is going good.
Everything's going. Fresh bread
Oh,
going.
so I just cooked some fresh bread.
Yep.
So you cooked some fresh bread, eh?
Yep.
On the way out of here?
Yep.
No way. Wait, you get a bread. Oh my god. Are you serious? Fresh bread. That's the shit, eh? Just look at the bread. Wait, you got a bread maker. Hang on, give me a look. He's got a fucking bread maker in here. Look at that. He's got a bread maker. So this is Leo's all set up over here. I'm charging up this, what do you call it, satellite phone thing. I'm charging up all my other shit, all from Leo's ute. But he's making bread on the way out of here. So he made some fresh bread. Very nice. Well, that's pretty awesome. But the wind is still up, so it's going to be interesting tomorrow. Beach doesn't look very nice. Shit all over it. Heaps of weed. So I hope I don't bug my car again. This will be the third time if I did it in less than 6 months. Please no. It'll be a very embarrassment. So it's 3 o'clock in the morning. This has been going on for 2 hours now. It's unfortunate. I'm going to be tired all day now. Partying over there. 3:45, and it's still going. Almost time for me to wake up officially. Morning, boys.
Last morning, is it?
What a night last night. We had some.
very nice young people.
Oh yeah, I get it. Anyway, so Leo's just cooked some bacon. This is called jet boil. He's using that little thing there, but I tell you what, she's pretty hot, eh?
Espresso coffee.
Oh yeah.
Cafeteria, mate. Real coffee.
So we're up. We're just trying to. Last night we just had the worst night ever. There were some young kids, which is, you know, I do get it. But you know, music blaring, non-stop driving. We got about 2 hours sleep last night, and we're shit faced on no sleep. But anyway, we're gonna have a couple of coffees like that. Hey, just look at your coffee cup. Come here. Now turn it around. Oh, look at that special one.
Definitely don't feel like Superman this morning, thanks to the neighbours.
Anyway, guys, can anyone see where we're going?
Nah, mate, not this morning.
Look at that. So it's slow and steady this morning. So the wind's dropped out, but the swell's still up. Yeah, we'll see how we go. Morning fish.
Just moving from one spot to the next.
Look at that. I got the sun in there as well. Oh, it looks so beautiful.
Morning glory.
Morning glory, mate. That's it. What do you got? Oh, break sea. Beautiful. break sea cod. Look at that. Nicey nice.
Beautiful. Straight up.
Oh, I love it when I see that bent like that.
Not sure how good he is, but we'll see.
Well, it's a bend in the rod. I got one on my line too. But see if I can get a cheeky one while I'm filming you. Another break sea, I think.
Another breaks he cod.
Beautiful. Look at that.
So, little one.
Just got him though. Just got him. Whoop, whoop. They got some meat. What are you doing now? Hurry up. Come on.
Jiggle them.
Jiggalo, all right. Oh, you got a little fish.
A little one.
Oh, you got a fish. What do you got?
Oh, no.
Beautiful, beautiful. Hit that dog in. It's a fucking
Oh, big sleepy.
big sweepy. Oh, I know someone who likes sweet. This is the next day and we're out doing some trawling, doing some pelagic fishing, trying to get some tuna, yellowtail kings, bonitos, whatever we can find actually. Got the rods out now, got a popper, deep diver. I'm here with Leo Bajolo. Morning.
Morning.
And we're just coming along this mainland over here. Absolutely beautiful. So we're going to get through that whitewash over there. We're going to see what we can find. Leo's on! Mate, how's that for lucky? Is it swimming towards you? I think so. There will be a salmon, I reckon.
Hit like a torpedo.
He was hungry. What'd you get? What'd you get? Hopefully a nice big tuna. Tuna. Lovely. Get that dog in. Oh! Leo. You know what? Next time I think we'll use a net.
It's fishing.
I got it on video too. Yeah, and you dropped it. And you dropped it. And again. Because I was driving, of course. What have we got? What do we got? Yellowtail. Woo! Little yellowtail. Come here. I got him. Oh! Feisty.
There was a heap behind him.
Was there?
Yeah.
All right, well that's good.
Finally. I'll get him in the boat so we don't lose a prick this time.
He'll have to go back. Woo. I think this one's a bit bigger. It was a lot bigger. Yeah, we're coming up to that point, so we got to get him up.
With the net?
Yeah, I got the net. I think it might be a while though. I'll put this up here.
Oh, joking.
Oh yeah. What do you got? I got the net right there. Fuck. Whoa. Tuna. Yeah, there's a heap of them there. What's following it? Yeah, they can keep those. Oh, you're on. I got it. What do you got?
Fuck, a lot of them.
No, it's not them. It's skinnier. Keep him in. We got some meat, but see what happens. This time. This time maybe.
Silky with colour.
The colour? Dewy? Is it dewy? We just want it to be something.
That's big silver.
Maybe caught in the guts. Oh yeah, nice. You know what that is, don't you? Deep sea racing mullet. Your favourite, Leo, your favourite. Nice. Something big down there. Oh, nearly got him. One. Next one. Oh! I'll get him for you, don't you worry. I think I got my bait just got smashed. My bait got, wonder what I got. This got eaten by a shark. It's here, 9 metres, see what it is. Might be another guy actually. Leggo. You both got it. We both got it. Look, we both got it. See? You got it with your hook and I pulled it in. I did too, didn't I? Just pull it in, mate, so we don't lose the fish again. Yeah, good idea. Very good. Very good. Just going to deal with that and, oh well. 27 years, they're still here. Look at that. Oh, see? That's why we have a net. That's why we have a net. Look at that, nice size, Leo. Very nice size. Grab him in the mouth. Look at that. Nice.
First
Very
one.
good.
Beautiful. Nice. Nice.
Yeah. Oh, ready to go and go back and have another go. Yeah, one in front of us here. Whee! Come on, Flipper. Come on, Raya. I thought it was like big fish. Here we go, one behind you, Leo. Right there.
Behind us. There's quite a few babies, you know what?
No. Leo, what do you got there? Holy shit. Look at the size of that.
Can't even get my hand around it.
Mate, I thought it was like a rock cod, but it's not.
A nice rock cod.
Holy shit.
That's a nice
All right.
one.
Far out. My turn. What's his customer? What's this guy? Hope it's a whiting, because if it is, it's going to be a horse. Come on, buddy. Cut the popper. Come on, you can do it. This is a whiting. No, it's not a whiting. It is a little snapper. what you're talking about. Look at that.
That's a stonker.
That's a stonker. Very nice. What has he done? Oh, just like go free sport and let him go. He'll come back out again. He's good and ready. See if I get mine anyway. That's coming up. Here we go. Come on, Whiting. Here's the Whiting. I don't know, it doesn't feel like it. What is he? He is a little raccoon. Put him sleeping. Ah. Oh well. Anyway, I think we've got mission accomplished, I think. We're chasing yellowtail kings, tuna, bonito, caught a tuna, we're yellowtail kings, then we're still going to get some whiting. We got some whiting, stonkers, big dogs. So, I think today, we've accomplished what we wanted to do. So we're going to head back in, guys, go do the shit. And I've got to say, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share it around, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want. Oh, I'm on. Oh, look at that. Now you're talking. Well, that's what happens. See, I just had my line in the water, and I'm pretty sure it's only a sweep, but still, good fighting fish. Yeah, no, it is a sweep. But, alright. Well, hey! Right. That's a shitty breed, isn't it? It is, yeah. He took both hooks. Alright. Alright, sorry guys for the interruption. Anyway, see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Talk to you soon. Until then, stay safe and happy fishing.